Tired of those pesky time tracking errors throwing off your reports? Let's fix them. First, navigate to your Clockify workspace. We will be editing our entries today in the time tracker. To edit a time log, locate the entry you want to change. You can adjust the start and end times directly by clicking on them. A time picker will appear. Simply select the correct hour and minute. Do the same for the end time. If needed, Clockify will automatically recalculate the duration. Alternatively, you can directly modify the duration. Click on the duration field. Then enter the correct amount of time spent on the task, making sure to use the correct format of hours and minutes. Need to change the project, task, or tags associated with this entry? Click on the corresponding fields to select the correct values from the drop-down menus. Selecting from existing projects and tasks helps keep your reports organized. Adding or editing the description is a great way to provide more context. Just click in the description box and type away. This will give better insights when looking at the reports. To split or delete a time entry, hover over the right side of the entry. Click the 3 vertical dots to reveal more options. Choose split to divide the entry into 2, or delete to remove it entirely. And that's it. You're now equipped to edit your time logs in Clockify like a pro. Accurate time tracking leads to better reports and a clearer understanding of how you spend your time.